and here for our final presentation assembly of the year. As you can see, it's year 2 presentation assembly, and it's Friday, 15th of July, 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children who've been amazing in year 2. And at the end of it as well, we've got 2 videos there from Miss Begum and Miss Hall, who've chosen the child of the year, who've been amazing at everything. Every single day they have been at school right the way through. So we've got lots and lots of children to really celebrate, not only for this term, but then throughout this year as well, who've been amazing in lots of different subjects. So let's find out some of those now. Here we go. We've got our top 3 in each class. Look at this. All the house points. Look at the number of house points these children have earned this year. It is phenomenal from these year 2s. Really, really well. And we've got the top 3 in each class. You see Miss Begum's class, and it's so close as well. So we've got Scarlett on 48. We've got Sophie on 50. We've got Liza on 52. Look how close it is. So well done, you 3. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well. We've also got then in Miss Hall's class. Look at these guys. Look. So we've got Tudor on 64, Emily on 76, and Scarlett just ahead on 80. And these 2 best friends, look, vying for first and second, but those are the top 3 in each of those classes. Well done, you 6, you absolute superstar. You've earned so many house points. It's fantastic. So really, really well done. What an amazing year all 6 of you have had. And I'm sure we're going to see some of you now getting certificates as well. So let's have a little look. Here we go. Oh, look at these PE stars straight in. Bit of physical activity. Look at these PE stars. Brilliant at games, at PE, break times and lunch times as well. So we've got Mimi, we've got Marley Ray, we've got Ava, we've got Adama, and we've got Freddie. Look at these guys. They're amazing. Freddie, what a smile from all of you. Keep being physically active over the summer holidays. You absolute superstars. And I know you've been amazing PE the whole year. So well done. Just really ready and set you up when you go up to year 3. So well done, guys. Brilliant. On to, look at these English stars. Look at the English work. It is phenomenal. Let me just pause for a moment. Look at this writing. Eliza, Noah, Logan, Sophie, Scarlett. Look at that writing, guys. Not only is it beautiful and neat, it's amazing. The content is phenomenal. You should be smiling. I am smiling. It just makes me smile just to see all of that work. Look at you guys. You absolutely are ready for year 3. Well done in getting your English Star certificates. Enjoy taking them home. You should be really proud of those. So really well done. What a phenomenal amount of work, you superstars. On to our history stars. Look at these historians as well. Look at the history that's gone on. So we've got Monica, we've got Olivia, we've got Maxwell, we've got Isla, and we've got Woody. Look at you guys. You work so hard, I know, at being historians. So inquisitive, asking all the right questions, adding lots as well. Your general knowledge from some of you is amazing as well. So do look at the work as well. So enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You superstars, well done. On to our geographers. Look at these geographers. Look at this. And again, those massive smiles on their face. So we've got Sophia, we've got Noah, we've got Mantadas, Bartos and Honey. Look at you guys, really well done. I know you've really enjoyed geography throughout this year. You guys have earned yourselves your Geography Stars certificate, so well done. Enjoy taking those home with you today. Well done. We've got our science, look at these scientists. Look at their science that's gone, look. All the animals, we've got Beatrix, we've got Orson, who's been awesome. We've got Rayleigh, Caden and Lily. Well done, guys, you absolute brilliant scientists. And look at the way you've set out these tables as well. Phenomenal work throughout this year in science. I know that, and you 5 children should be really proud of everything you've achieved. So really well done, and enjoy when you get to year 3 doing the science in year 3 as well. Superstars, well done. Look at these reading stars. Look at these guys. Hey, look how amazing do they look, and they should do as well. I know Denelius just completed his reading record this week, so I've just given him 10 house points and filled that in. It's been amazing, so really well done. Not only you guys getting a certificate, but you'll get a reading book to read over the summer holidays as well. So we've got Scarlett, we've got Denelius, we've got Lexi, and we've got Maxwell. Look at that, you superstars. Well done. Enjoy those reading books when you get them home as well. Well done. We've got our math star. Look at these mathematicians. Look at Mantadas. What a smile. We've got Mantadas, we've got Henry, we've got Jack, we've got Lily, and we've got Crystal. Well, I say, Jack, keep up that amazing maths when you get to your new school, buddy. Amazing work, because you will blow their socks off at how brilliant you are at maths. So well done, and well done to all of you on earning your Math Star certificates. Look at that amazing work again. It's phenomenal. Really proud of you. Well done. Oh, look, Miss Hall's histories. Look at these historians. Look at the smart. Yes. You should be. Look at this. Look at that history work again. It is phenomenal, the work these year 2s have done. You're so ready for year 3, so really well done. You should all be smiling. You guys are our history stars. So well done. Moving on. We've got our PE stars. So we've got Dennis, Emily, Gracie May, Noah and Alex. And they were so good. Look at the sports day. Look how competitive they were. But here as well. Look at those hurdles. Look how high they are. Look at their jumps. So really being physically active, but not only in PE and games or sports, but at break time and lunchtime as well. So really keep that, and actually keep it up over the summer holidays as well. You superstars, well done. On to Miss Hall's English stars again. Look at the English. Look, the talk for writing, but look at the writing that's gone on again in their books. Hey, so we've got Marcy, we've got Emily, Tudor, Casey, and Ben. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Really well done. Fantastic English. Ready for year 3. I know it. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, superstars. And we have, oh, look at these geographies. Look at this. Hey, look at the world. Well done. You guys know all about the world because you are our geography stars. So we've got Alex, we've got Lola May, we've got Rebecca, we've got Suleiman and Vitteris. Look at that. So well done. Look at Vitteris there. Suleiman holding on. Look, Alex, well done. We're just about to see you there. Fantastic. Lola May there. Superb. And Rebecca, absolutely brilliant. So well done, guys. Really, really proud of you. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, superstars. Oh, mathematicians, look at our mathematicians, look at the maths they're doing, look at this partitioning and everything. It's a phenomenal. Toby, look how studious he looks. So we've got Toby, we've got Olivia, we've got Suleiman, Anna Maria, and Jack. Look at Jack, big smile. You should be smiling, guys. Well done. You are our mathematicians there, and you've earned yourselves certificates. Well done. What a fantastic year 2 you've had. Brilliant. Look at our scientists, look at them. Look at this, hey? Being scientists right up to the last day of term. Hey, so then we've got Alita, there she is. Mason, look, Mason's hiding down here, look at him, look. Nikita, look at him, there he is with his thing. Penny's there, look at her, really getting close. And Lola May, look, fantastic Lola May. Massive eye there, but look. Well done, guys. You have been amazing at science. You've done amazing science throughout this year, so really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Here we go. Look, look at these guys. And our reading corner, hey? And these guys have been reading every day. They really have. It's been fantastic. We've got Teddy, we've got Ethan, Sapphire, Alexia, and Ben. Look at you guys. Now, not only again are you taking certificates home, you're taking reading books as well. So you'll get a reading book to take home to enjoy over the summer holidays as well. So do enjoy that. And congratulations, you 5. Proud of you. And here we are, look, there it is. As I mentioned right at the beginning, we've got our year 2 child of the year. So we've got a child each in each class. So Miss Begum and Miss Hall have selected a child in each of their classes who've just been amazing in all of those things. Every single day they have been at school this year. So let's start off the little video just to see who they are.
Introducing Miss Hall's Child of the Year 2022. It has been so difficult to choose a Child of the Year this year because all of the children in the class have been fantastic. They work together as a team, they're always kind, and it's a joy to have taught them this year. Let's see what other people have to say about the person that we have decided for our Child of the Year this year.
This child is motivated with their learning and they give everything their 100%.
This child is very reliable and trustworthy, and we can always rely on her to deliver messages.
When this person comes into school, she's always got a smile on her face and is extremely helpful.
This person is always kind to other children. If they get stuck, they are always there to help. They are super helpful around the class, and I will miss my little teaching assistant. Year 3 will be happy to have you.
This child is a wonderful example of what a Year 2 child should be. They are always on time to school, they give 110% to everything. They are always interested, always listening, and a very kind friend. They have been fondly called one of our class's mini TAs, and we will definitely miss this child next year. Miss Hall's Child of the Year 2022 is Emily.
Emily, yes, there she is. Look at her. Absolutely beautiful. What a stunning year you have. Well done, Emily. You've absolutely surpassed all of those expectations of you throughout this year, and you are absolutely ready for year 3. So really well done. I'm so proud of you. Look at that. Absolute beautiful smile there, so really well done, huge congratulations. Mum and Dad are going to be so proud of you, I know. So enjoy taking your little shield home and your certificate home, because you absolutely have been amazing at everything throughout this year, as the video said. So really, really well done, and huge congratulations to you. Well done. So let's move on to Miss Begum's Child of the Year. Let's watch this little video now of her.
This child is friendly, confident, bubbly, and they are always smiling. They have great positivity and a great sense of humour. They always work hard and they are willing to have a go. Whether they find anything tricky or challenging, they will give their 100%. And they are very respectful and kind to their friends.
We have been friends since nursery, so we have been friends for a very long time. I like this person because they are kind and they share. She makes me laugh sometimes at lunchtime. She is funny and she plays with anyone. This person is kindful and helpful.
This child always comes into school really happy and ready to learn.
She is clever and smart. She's my friend and I like to play with her. She is kind. We play hide and seek with me.
This person always tries the best, super smiley and always kind to others.
She's very funny. She helps me. She is smart because she listens on the carpet. This person is funny and she makes me laugh. Sometimes she's goofy and I like that.
She has thoroughly embraced Forest School and joined in with everything we've had to offer down here.
She's funny and she's kind. We play with each other, so we talk about funny stuff. At lunchtime, she always makes me laugh.
This person comes into school every morning with a smile on her face and is always really eager to tell me about anything that she's done, especially brownies.
She is nice. I like this person because she helps me, she plays with me and she helps me when I'm hurt. This person is very nice to me. She is nice.
This child is really positive and always comes to school with a massive smile on their face. It's always lovely to see them running across the playground.
She's my friend and she's nice to me. She is funny. I like her playing with her because she makes me laugh.
This child is always really enthusiastic, really happy and really smiley, and always come in with a really good attitude and really helpful around the class.
This person is good at listening, doing learning and work.
Deep in the depths of Forest School, there is a special little girl who always makes me laugh and smile. There is a clue. She has baby blue eyes.
She is kind and helpful. She's very kind and beautiful. This person is very helpful. She's kind and she's my friend.
Sophie, there you are, look, you just made me smile. You've always got a smile on your face. You are so beautiful. You're such a lovely, lovely girl. So kind. As everyone has said all the way through there, what an amazing year 2 you have had. I'm so, so proud of you. Look, your mum and dad are going to be as well, so hopefully they'll hold back the tears. But you have been amazing. You have had an amazing year 2 and you are ready for year 3. So thank you from Mr. Allen as well for being so amazing. Well done. Enjoy taking your trophy and your certificate home with you as well, you superstar. What an amazing year. Finally, let's have a little look. Oh, look. School closes, summer holidays, Tuesday, 19th July 2022 at 3:15. So we've got 2 more days next week, just Monday and Tuesday. We break up for the summer holidays at 3:15 on the Tuesday, the 19th July, as you can see. Little date for all of you parents out there as well. Look, Monday the 5th of September 2022, we're back to school. Yes, we are back to school. Not all schools are in Norfolk, so please be aware, but we are. We'll have our inset days on Thursday and Friday, but we are back. All the children are back in 8:30 on Monday the 5th of September 2022. So we'll see you all then, hopefully. Until then, please have a really, really safe summer holiday. Have an enjoyable one as well, and we'll see you all in September. Until then, bye-bye now.